Hi everyone, this is Nagraj here. Welcome to the new video. Today we'll discuss about the P2P transaction. What is P2P? It is P2P transaction. Example, you can directly transfer your INR amount to the crypto exchange and you will get the converted USDT dollar. I'll show you. Let's get into the video. Wazirx. Go to Funds tab. Type INR section. Deposit. The last section is the P2P transfer Wazirx P2P. Click that option. Here today the USDT to INR, the exchange rate is 75.49 paisa. It is shown in this website. You select the INR amount, how much you want to deposit. Today I'll show you example 500 rupees and I'll get it 6.62 USDT dollar. Click buy. Then minimum buy amount should be more than 14.5 USDT. Okay. So it's almost 1000 rupees, 1100. Click buy. Once the seller meets up this requirement, he will accept and transfer the USDT to our account. Okay, the seller has given the offer for 1094.75. Once confirmation is called received, then you can accept the offer if you like the offer. Click on my P2P orders and select the offer you have selected, you have accepted. Within 11 minutes you have to deposit this amount on UPI, and once you deposit this UPI you will get 14.5 USDT dollar in your Wazirx exchange. Okay, we'll pay this. I'll show you. Take the UPI ID, and once you pay this amount 1094.75, you have to upload your screenshot here. Okay, we'll pay this. I'll go with Paytm. paste the UPI ID, select and pay the 094.75. Cross check the amount. If you pay less or more, your order will get cancelled. Once this payment is done, just take the screenshot and go back to the Wazirx exchange. Upload your screenshot here. Click I have paid. So the order is completed, and we'll check the USDT how much you received. Go back to your account. Check the USDT. You received 1091. So approximately 2 to 3 rupees it was deducted. Is the best way. Same way you can sell your USDT and you can receive the INR from their account to your account. That's it. Thanks for watching video. For more interesting videos, please subscribe my channel. Once again, thank you for watching this video.